It's getting late in the year and the temperatures are dropping, but we're not ready to put away the camper just yet. And there's geocaches to be found. Let's go. That looks suspicious. Supposed to be a regular.
Maybe it's just this.
Are we close?
Yeah, my thing beeped.
Oh.
Hold on, there's something right here.
Ah. Yes. That's looking like a regular geocache.
Needs a bit of TLC.
Oh, smash lid. There we go. Yeah, there's the logbook. There we go. First cache has been located, and it's called Overlooking OK Falls, but I don't see any waterfall anywhere near here, but the view is spectacular. Welcome to beautiful British Columbia. Sitting right there, looks rather suspicious. And the cache is right there.
Found it.
Awesome. Yeah, look at the rocks up there. That's nice.
Wow.
We have no snow yet. We're not likely to, we hope, this trip when we're going to go up this mountain road as far as we can go until dark, and then find a little spot to have some dinner and then spend the night. And then we'll do some caching again in the morning. And it has started to snow. We stopped for lunch and then the flurries just started coming down. It's supposed to snow light to moderate for a few hours and then let up, hopefully. And if it snows a little bit too heavy, we're going to hightail it out of here and instead of spending the night up in the rec area. Well, that was easy. Hey, what do you think? That was pretty simple.
That was simple. You had me thinking I had to go down the hill.
So did I, because it says 12 meters down there. Got it. Nope. We're finding some caches, but we're DNFing some as well. And the snow has started to come down, and it's turning, the forecast says, to more of a moderate snowfall from light, and it's going to last about 4 hours. So we think we're going to go up to the end of the major part of this cache series and then turn around and come back down out of elevation, maybe spend the night someplace without the fear of being stuck in the morning. We'll got this one signed up, we'll put it back and hop on the road for more caching. This one's called Harvested, and there's a sign saying the place was harvested in 1973. The trees are pretty big. And then the cache is supposed to be in a big root ball. And I'm looking at a big root ball. So then we see if we can locate the cache. It's under some bark. in a hole. No. Nothing, nothing, nothing. That's a nice spot right there. And I can't find it. I'm looking all over, and I went all around it twice. And I just can't come up with it. I don't know if I'm blind or what. Oh, wait a minute. Some more bark over here. Laying around kind of funny. Maybe it's under here. Nope. 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 Huh. I'm dumbfounded. I'm at a loss. Well, so much for that one. That's a DNF. Boy, I hate when that happens. Ooh, cold snow down the neck. Okay, checking the coordinates once we're back in the van. It would appear that possibly we were looking in the wrong root ball. So here's another root ball.
Rock.
And...
No, can't get that out.
oh, it's the cache though.
I can't get it out. Can you?
Oh, wait a minute. No, it's a rock.
Yeah, I know. I thought it might have been hung in the cache.
Oh.
I know it's a rock.
Here's another rock. And
Yay!
a geocache. Avenged. Oh, I really didn't want to put a DNF log on that. I made an assumption based on the sign and the name of the cache and the root ball that was right behind the sign. Silly me.
A lot of times, though, that's how cache owners do it. They give you the name and they're like, oh, that's the hint.
We decided to turn around and head back down out of elevation towards town because the snow was getting a bit thicker, and I don't like the set of tires that are on this van. It's about ready to replace them, and I have a set on order. And we started off from our last cache and just spun. So I spun the vehicle around and down we're coming from the mountain. And we're back down, and the valley is socked in. There's not as much or any snow on the ground down here, but it's a wet flurries and not too bad. It's a little bit better. And Lyric Glass has gone off to get a geocache. That should be pretty quick. And you can see snowflakes are falling. You see it? Right there. Now that we're back into civilization, I think what we're going to do is check out this winery up here, and then we'll just go home for the night rather than camping out in the van on the side of the road somewhere. We're not in wilderness, so thanks for joining us. Let's go check out the wine. Where the heck is this winery? I thought it was just like right there.
So high.
It's like taking forever to get there.
It's like megalomaniac.
Well, geocaching, we found what we found, and we did what we did.
We kind of got snowed out, you know, first snow of the season, but that's okay.
Yeah.
We'll come back.
It looked pretty.
Now we're refreshing our palates with some wine.
Yeah. It's where we are living is the wine capital almost of, well, I say the wine capital of Canada, but it's wine capital of British Columbia is the Okanagan Valley. So while we're here, we're gonna do some tastings. Yeah. So we'll see you again on another adventure with Cache Canada.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?
Oh.